the import who was defending him.
Yongson, atake, got that one to roll.
A nice roll to the basket also for Johnson. That was against Diallo. Well, talking about the starting lineup.
Agaw pa ang Elasto Painters, tumatakbo sila. Ildefonso,
And he got it. He got it.
finishes through the foul. Diallo pa yung sumabay.
You watch this fast break attack.
Stockton. The points of Converge have been coming from Alec, and he adds 2 more. That's 6 points for Alex Stockton.
But did it on his own. Walang assist dun. So I think it's important for Converge that they begin trusting each other, and they need to slow down the pace. And this is just such a high level of game that Rain or Shine is playing. Mabilis na, accurate pa from the floor.
Kaya pa makabalik, but they need to tidy up their play as Winston gets past the defense. Pasok pa rin yung layup niya.
Nakita natin. That time, they were very patient. They went to who would have the best possible shot. Nakita natin
17 earlier.
the key here is defense. And, what a
Oh
twirl.
my
What a twirl move
goodness.
from Rocco. The way he escaped the defense and he scored.
Parang naglalakdayaw lang yung kwento niya sa atin na ginagawa nila sa Tondo. But they throw the ball away. That's another turnover. Arana, atake, sinalubong ni
And he
Bo.
scores. That's more points inside the paint here for Converge. What a big change from the first quarter.
No, kung labas kay Santillan.
There's
And
a foul.
Well,
That's their trump card. They win with defense, and they're also getting points inside the paint. Ang laking kaibahan, no? If you watch the first quarter, and now you're watching this game in the second quarter, it's such a big change in the PBA after that stint in Dubai. Here's an outside shot. Yes.
That's what Converge had been looking for. Yung tira sa labas, si Santos pala makakapagbigay. 7 na lang to din.
I think
Play
Diallo.
resumes.
Diallo is the most surprised of all.
At ngayon, Lemeti hits the 3, his second, to tie the game up again at 62. Down to the last 24.7 seconds. He just can't go under. Kapag si Felix Lemeti heading, zigzagging.
That's a tough shot. Took it with the left hand. Oh, but look at Diallo.
Oh, Diallo!
He got it back in time to score the bucket. Converge with a 2-point lead.
That should count. They'll review it, pero he got it up before the buzzer. And we're expecting that. It is a now. Ildefonso. Babangga.
And he will score. And that now ties his conference high. Sean Ildefonso. What a fight.
What lakas ng katawan.
Oo. Mukhang humawak pa siya doon kay...
Kaya na raw after the game. But, yeah, definitely. One Ildefonso will take a win. Jordan Henning wants to be Danny Ai na ngingiti pagkatapos ng larong to as he hits another 3.
The tight contest all the way down the stretch, and the way it's shaping up, yes.
Wow,
Balikan
Yongson.
sila.
How was he able to find some space there?
Amazing performance here by Johnson because earlier he was draining it from the outside.
They go up top, heading to Diallo.
Henning is just a picture-perfect passer.
And Diallo is just towering over the entire defense of Rain or Shine.
Now there's going to be a foul on Baltasar.
Mula nang nag-foul out din si Dion Thompson, hindi pa
See what Winston can do here. Oh, nice pass. And then the 2 points for Justin Baltasar. And he now has 11 points.
Nag-Torrent Jones. Malik Pope also was part of that. Jabari Narcis as Nokum finishes at the hoop. Pero mukhang nasaktan itong si Adrian. We hope he's okay. Looks like they're going to count the basket.
Yeah, they will count the basket, but they will check whether there was cause for a major call. Ito, nakawala na.
Stockton sees an opening, doesn't get it, but no one boxed Arana out.
Ang nangyari dito, parang hinihintay lang ng mga big men ng Converge for their outside gunners to shoot from beyond.
And it looks like very hesitant din itong rain or shine. And paulit-ulit din, points in the paint for Converge.
Unstoppable right now. Diallo and Arana are carrying the cudgels here for Converge. And what about that bounce pass coming from Stockton? Thompson is number one to speed up the game. Oh, look at that.
Baltasar is a bad man.
A one-handed slam dunk. Justin Baltasar with a factoring slam dunk. Watch it again. Kita natin yung extra pass. Unselfish play by Diallo. And a one-hander.
Laro mo to, tuloy sa kampeonato. Sama-sama tayo, manlalaro, tapisyonado. Angat ang laban.